Hello everybody, how are you doing? I'm Margaret Marie and welcome to my channel. What I have for you in this video is yet another product from the iMethod Beauty Company. What I have is a new product from iMethod Beauty. This is the Power On Plumping Lip Gloss. In this video, I'm also doing a giveaway. iMethod Beauty is sponsoring a giveaway for 3 people to win their choice of either this Eyebrow Stamp and Stencil Kit or this Eyebrow Stamp and Stencil Kit. Recently, I did a review on both of these stamp and stencil kits, and so I will leave a link to that video below in the description box for you. Before I get into the contest rules of this giveaway, I'm going to go ahead and try this new Power On Plumping Lip Gloss. This plumping lip gloss comes in 4 shades. I got the number 03. Now let's head over to the website where I can give you more information about this plumping lip gloss. Okay, I can't seem to make this stupid, useless phone work, so what I'm going to do is look it up on my laptop on the website. iMethod Lip Plumping Gloss glides on and offers a long wear time without drying out your lips. A combination of ginger and mint in the creamy formula makes lips look fuller. The Lip Plumping Gloss offers a nourishing must-have ingredients like vitamin E to soften and smooth. All 4 glossy hues are equally gorgeous. You can apply a thin layer on its own or over your favorite lipstick for a quick plump job. And as for the ingredients, I'm going to read them to you off of the box. Okay, it starts with paraffinum liquidum. Paraffin is a wax that's used to make things glossy. The next one I see in here is a polysobutene. What that is a hydrocarbon of the polymer isobutylene, and that is obtained from petroleum oil. It functions as a thickening and film forming agent. Because of its big molecular size, it does not penetrate into the skin. And then they have squalene on here, which is a really good natural moisturizer. And because this product is vegan, I know that the squalene is obtained from plants as opposed to whales. When applied topically, squalene has huge benefits to the skin. It boosts hydration, fights free radicals, and skin damage. I'm also spotting some more emollients in here like the isopropyl palmate. And now for the lip plumping ingredients. There is ginger. Ginger plumps your lips. It's antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory. It's just an all-around good ingredient. It also improves elasticity. And the next one is mint. Mint softens the lips, it improves hydration, and it softens fine lines and wrinkles. And the next one is vitamin E. Vitamin E is really good for moisturizing, for healing. It improves elasticity. It's an all-around wonderful ingredient. So it looks like all the ingredients in here are safe, and since this is something that you put on your mouth, so there is a chance that some of it will be ingested, you don't have to worry at all. Okay, so now it's time to take it out of the box and try it on. Okay, and here it is. Okay, I'm going to open it up. All right, and here's what it looks like. What I'm going to do before I put the lip gloss on is first line my lips. I'm going to use the iMethod He Blushed Multi-Stick to fill it in. Okay, now for the lip gloss. I have it on and immediately I can feel a cooling sensation. It doesn't burn or anything like that, it just feels tingly and minty. Okay, and looking over into my mirror, it looks like my lips are getting a little bit fuller. It feels cool and kind of refreshing. My lips feel very hydrated and that cool, tingly sensation is really nice. Over lip liner and lipstick, this is a really nice plumping lip gloss. I think this would also be great just by itself if you just want a little hint of color and to plump up your lips a little bit. Alright, so I really like this new lip gloss. It does everything that they say it's going to do. I like the color, I like the little bit of plumping, and the mint is quite refreshing. Okay, so now let's get on to the giveaway. All right, so what we have here is the Eyebrow Stampin' Stencil Kits. There will be 3 winners, and you will get your choice of which kit that you like and what shade you would like to have it in. And here's what you have to do to enter the giveaway. Number 1, you have to be subscribed to my channel. Number 2, you have to be subscribed to the iMethod Beauty YouTube channel. Next, to let me know that you've subscribed to me and that you've subscribed to iMethod and that you want to be entered into this giveaway, put the word done and then let me know which Stampin' Stencil kit you would like to get and why. Also, leave me an email address so I have a way to get a hold of you to notify you that you've won. What I will do is get a hold of you, get your information, and iMethod will send you your choice of stamp kit in your shade directly. I'll run this contest for a week, and after a week, that's when I will choose the winners. All right, so those are the rules of the giveaway. And as for the Power On Plumping Lip Gloss, I totally recommend it. You need to give this a try. This is really nice. Okay, so that is the end of this video. I will be sure to notify the 3 winners. You guys have a really good rest of your day. You take care. Bye-bye.